Building your credit can be a challenge, especially if you're starting from the scratch. So the easiest way to build your credit is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. By doing this, the positive credit history will be reflected on your credit report, and that boosting your score. So it is important to choose someone with a strong credit history and responsible credit habits to ensure that you benefit from their good credit behavior. So talk to a family member or a friend with a good credit and ask them if they will be willing to add you as authorized user on their credit card. It is a quick and easy way to start building your credit today. And also, if you want to learn, if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my live on TikTok on Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. Until next time, peace.